everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you how to create a stunning and beautiful nail art design. Don't worry if it looks tricky because I will break it down in easy steps. So grab your tools and let's dive in. Let's start by applying the first layer of gel polish. This time we are only doing one layer, so make it nice and thick. Don't worry about curing it just yet. When you apply the polish, make sure to cover every part of the nail so none of it is left without polish. In the video I'm using a hot chocolate gel polish, mild brown gel polish. You can use any of the either color you prefer. Just apply a generous amount of gel polish on your nail. Make sure to spread it evenly and cover the entire nail surface. Remember, we are going for a thick layer here, so don't be afraid to really coat the nails and feel free to experiment with different colors to match your style or mood. Next step guys, now we are adding a second polish. I'm using white gel polish for a cool pop effect, but feel free to pick any color you prefer. We are going to draw a thick line right down the middle of the nail to create an infinity design. Start from the top of your nail and carefully draw a thick line straight down the middle. This will give your design a bold and eye-catching infinity effect. Also remember, you can always adjust the size and shape to your liking. Just take your time and have fun with it. Don't worry if it is not perfect on the first try. Practice makes perfect. Time for the fun part. Now grab a toothpick for that extra thick infinity design. We are going to create the infinity symbol by moving your hand in a continuous motion without lifting it off the nail. Just follow along with me as we create this mesmerizing design. Using your toothpick, start at the top of the line we just created and begin moving your hand in an infinity shape. Imagine drawing the number 8 on its sides, looping around the crossing over in the middle. Keep the motion fluid and continuous without lifting your hand off the nail. Cure the design under UV light for 30 seconds and then apply the top shiny coat all over the nail to seal the design and give that extra shiny effect. Cure the shiny coat under UV light for another 30 seconds and the design is here. Look at how stunning and unique this design turned out. All from a simple and easy method. Give it a try and follow along with me. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this in the future. Thank you.